Well, it's Friday morning and I've had a Riverford organic veg box and a few other goodies. So let's see what we have. First is the Riverford organic dairy whole milk natural yoghurt, and this is bio yoghurt or live yoghurt, and this is really good for the gut. I also have this organic zero waste veg bag. Sometimes it will include things like apples and oranges or pears. These are past the best, but only £6.50 for 3 different items. Having said that, the last time we had one of these, which was before Christmas, the pears inside were fantastic. Not what I would call past the best. They were better than what you'd get from the supermarket at the full price. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. These bags are so useful. They're good for gardening. You can compost them. You can use them for your veg trimmings before you compost them. We collect ours in bags, paper bags or newspaper. I have some flat leaf parsley. It looks slightly limp, but it's still very usable. And I'm going to cook something at the weekend with parsley sauce, so that'll come in handy. And I have some oranges. These are satsumas. There's quite a few of them. Look at the size of that. I was going to get some tomorrow from the farm shop, but we've got a couple of these links. We've got more, we've got 3. We've got 3 links altogether. And a cucumber. And the cucumber's fab. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It looks fresher than the one I bought the other day from the supermarket because we'd run out of cucumber. I'm not keen on cucumber, but I'm trying to eat it because it contains quite a bit of water. So, like celery, you will burn off more calories than you're eating. It's good for weight loss. In the main box, I have some mixed leaves. Note the 100% home compostable packaging. More leeks. These have been trimmed, these ones. And some parsnips. I love parsnips. They're kind of slightly past their best. I would have thought they'd have put those in a zero waste food bag, to be honest. We're getting towards the end of the season with parsnips. There's a lot of them, but we love parsnips. So they'll be eaten this weekend. We've got some nice carrots. The carrots are lovely. And we've got mushrooms. Don loves mushrooms. I don't eat them. We have some potatoes in this bag. And a net of sprouts. We love Brussels sprouts. They're so yummy. I can't wait to use those. I'm actually very fond of putting sprouts in curry. It works really well. And you can even put lightly cooked sprouts, chop them up and put them on top of your pizza. You can use them in so many dishes. I'll open this bag up. It's got one of these string ties. We actually have a Hessian bag under the bar that we put all our potatoes in. So they'll be going in there rather than storing them in the refrigerator or in the pantry. There's about 700 grams of potatoes here. These are nice potatoes. They've got a really nice flavour. they'll be smashing in so many different dishes. I can't wait to use those. And they smell lovely, the smell of the earth. That's a proper spud. Not like the ones you get from the supermarket, which have all been washed and whatever fertilisers and chemicals they've got in them. These are all really fantastic. The Riverford boxes are reusable for up to 10 times. They're very eco-friendly. All we do is we flatten it like this and leave it out in a clear location for the driver, and he'll pick it up next time he delivers a box to us. And there's this very handy sheet which has all the latest news from the farm in Devon, and inside is information on how to use all your goodies. It's got quite a few recipe ideas, and on the back there's always a recipe. This one is for raw sprout, herb and caper salad. Nice and natural, just as nature intended. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely weekend everyone. Bye.